Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is exponential distribution. In this topic we are going to learn the two concepts from exponential distribution. Concept 1 is cumulative generating function and second is cumulants. So let us start with the first concept, cumulant generating function. Cumulant generating function is abbreviated by CGF. So let us start with the definition of CGF. Suppose x follow exponential theta, then cumulant generating function of exponential distribution is defined as kxt, which is the log of mxt. Here mxt is the MGF of exponential distribution, moment generating function of exponential distribution. We have already learned in the previous lecture the value of MGF is 1 minus t by theta raised to minus 1. Take this minus 1 here, so it is minus log 1 minus t upon theta. To expand log 1 minus t by theta, we take the help of a mathematical series expansion of log 1 minus x. What is that? Log 1 minus x. It is log 1 minus x is equal to minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Here in our case the value of x is t upon theta. By comparing these two series, we get minus, first term is minus t by theta, second is minus t by theta square divided by 2 minus t by theta cube divided by 3, like that. Multiply this minus sign inside the bracket, we get 1 by theta into t plus 1 upon theta square into t square by 2 plus 1 by theta cube into t cube by 3 plus dot 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 up to infinity. This is the cumulant generating function of exponential distribution. In the expansion of cumulant generating function, we rearrange the factor in such a way that we shall get the cumulant generating function in the form of t raised to r, like t raised to r divided by r factorial, where r is 1, 2, like that. So let me rearrange the term. First term is 1 by theta into t raised to 1 by 1 factorial. Here 1 factorial is 1. In the second term, 1 by theta square into t square by 2 factorial. We know that 2 factorial is 2. So here no need to adjust the terms, factors, to get the factorial. Here in the third term, we want 3 factorial in the denominator, t cube by 3 factorial. So to get 3 factorial, we multiply and divide by numerator and denominator with 2, then we get 3 factorial. For the fourth term, 1 upon theta raised to 4 t raised to 4. Here the fourth term is, let me write the fourth term in order to understand what I am telling. Fourth term is in kxt 1 by theta raised to 4 t raised to 4 by 4. I want a 4 factorial in the denominator, so I must multiply the numerator and denominator with 3 factorial, then only I get 4 factorial in the denominator. So this is the 4 factorial into numerator term is 3 factorial, like that, plus dot 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 up to infinity. I have adjusted first 4 term since I want the first 4 cumulants from the cumulant generating function. So this is the cumulant generating function. Now we shall start with the second point, cumulants. Cumulants are generated from the cumulant generating function. So we shall start with cumulants. Cumulants are nothing but, let me write the definition of cumulant. Suppose Kr is the earth cumulant. It is equal to coefficient of T raised to R divided by R factorial in kxt, cumulant generating function, is the earth cumulant, where R is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Since we want first 4 cumulant only, so R may take value 1 to 4. In order to obtain the earth cumulant Kr, we have to compare the coefficients of T raised to R by R factorial in kxt. So first let me write the expression of cumulant generating function kxt first. Here I have written the cumulant generating function expression. So we shall calculate the cumulants one by one. So let us start with the first cumulant K1. Here notation of cumulant is small k, K1. K1 equal to coefficient of T raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial in kxt. See here in the expression, the coefficient of T raised to 1 by 1 factorial is this one, 1 upon theta. So K1 equal to 1 upon theta. First cumulant is 1 by theta. Next cumulant is K2 is equal to coefficient of T square by 2 factorial in kxt is equal to, here the coefficient of T square by 2 factorial is 1 upon 1 by theta square. Similarly, we mark the coefficient of T cube by 3 factorial as this one, 1 by theta cube multiplied by 2. For the fourth cumulant, the coefficient of T raised to 4 by 4 factorial is 1 upon theta raised to 4 into this 3 factorial. So the second cumulant K2 equal to, here K2 equal to 1 upon theta square, since it is the coefficient of t square by 2 factorial. Similarly, K3, the third cumulant, is coefficient of t cube divided by 3 factorial in kxt, cumulant generating function, and which is here 2 by theta cube. The last cumulant is K4, is equal to coefficient of t raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial in the expansion of cumulant generating function, and which is, I have marked here, 3 factorial divided by theta raised to 4. 3 factorial is 3 into 2, 6 divided by theta raised to 4. In this way, in this lecture, we have learned 2 points from the exponential distribution. The first point is cumulant generating function denoted by CGF. In CGF, we learn the definition of CGF and how it is calculated in the case of exponential distribution. From the CGF expansion, we obtained cumulants. In cumulants, we learn what is cumulant and how it is calculated, and we have calculated the first 4 cumulants, K1, K2, K3 and K4. In the previous lectures, we have already learned the different concepts from exponential distribution, continuous uniform distribution, measures of central tendency, and we already learned some basic terms from the subject statistics. If student want to learn all the topics, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. If student like this channel, then click on the like button, share with your friends to learn them the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. If student still do not subscribe to Learn Statistics channel, then they are requested to subscribe the channel Learn Statistics for more upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. In this way, we will stop here. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept from the exponential distribution. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.